What's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of July, 2023. We're going to talk about Pepecoin today and trying to see if the bottom has just hit into the market in Pepecoin. You guys can see, let me zoom on the chart so you guys can see this better. Right here is where the market has hit bottom in Pepe. Now, I'm not saying it's the ultimate bottom, but at least it is for the time being. Now, I did a price prediction in Pepecoin on July the 11th, 2023, and I was playing the market move to the downside. I was telling y'all to expect that Pepecoin was going to go down, and initially the market did go higher on these 2 days, the 13th and the 14th of July. But take a look though, the market here in Pepecoin got rejected right here on our resistance area around 190 points. I was telling you all that as long as price in Pepecoin does not break above that on strength, then the market is still weak, and here it is today. So 16.21% was had into the market of Pepecoin just yesterday. Congratulations to those who predicted the same thing. It's very good for us to see that. And now what we're going to do is we're simply just going to change up a couple of things. Since we already know that price in Pepecoin got rejected at 189 points, then we simply need to extend this line over, because this is the last point of contention between the buyers and the sellers. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this horizontal line and bring it down here to the last point that there were buyers. Okay. Now, you can tell also that Pepecoin is no longer trending on this trend line. So what's the point of us keeping it on the chart? Yeah, we just need to let it go and get rid of it. So let's go ahead and delete that. Now this chart is looking a little bit better. We can actually tell that Pepecoin is still trending within a range, and it's a trading channel. We have buyers at 120, sellers up there at 189. Okay, let's look at Pepecoin real quick on the 2-day chart. Here it is. We have 13 hours left in Pepecoin on this 2-hour price bar, which simply lets us know that at the end of today, if the market in Pepecoin closes up here at the high end of the bar, then we need to expect, if anything, the market to remain stable and trade within these two lines. Okay. So you guys can see the volume is about the same as the prior 2 weeks. So we're getting about the same type of price action, same type of transactions occurring, the same individuals who were selling the prior 2 days, they're coming back in. Someone else is coming back in and on these current 2 days, and is now buying this currency. Okay. Right here on the 3-day chart, we want to allow the market in Pepecoin opportunity to complete on this 3-day price bar, excuse me. If the market closes higher than its prior 3 days, then it tells us that yes, this is where buyers are currently at in the market in Pepecoin. Here it is on the 5. Take a look at Pepecoin on a weekly chart. Here's Pepe on the 330-minute chart. And one thing I wanted to show you and talk to you all about is look at the price bars, right? It doesn't look like it's uniform. The uniformity of these price bars look like it's strict, is firm, is very reluctant into flowing. This tells me that this market is not volatile. This tells me that there's not a lot of participation going on into the market in Pepecoin. And in fact, we may actually see some algorithms trade in this particular market in Pepecoin, because we're not seeing the wide price bar spreads. The market is very tight, very small. It shows that at certain points in time, like this, for instance, we may have seen market participation here. We're not seeing market participation here. And now we're currently seeing some increases in market participation. That's what I'm trying to get you all to see with this 330-minute chart. Okay. Let's look at this on the 15-hour chart real quick. So even though we're currently seeing the price in Pepecoin go up within this trading channel, I want you all to take a look at this. That is a resistance area. Okay. We saw Pepecoin hold that area on numerous occasions, taking us all the way back to the 23rd of June. Market fell through there, and now we're seeing the sellers on this current 15-hour price bar is getting rejected right there at 145. or 146 points. We need to see the buyers take that out in order for us to really see the market move continue to the upside. Okay. So, what do you guys think? Is this a buy? Pepecoin, are we going to see the market in Pepecoin continue to go higher, or will we continue to see the market in Pepecoin go lower, back down to 100 points? Or even is this a tradable market? If there's nothing here, there's nothing for us to do here. If there's nothing here on this chart that gives us an edge, then we need to go somewhere else and play that market. All right. So as of right now, I think the environment in Pepecoin is one of merely consolidating, trading within a trading channel. We hit the bottom as of right now at 120 points, but it doesn't mean that that's the final bottom, because we're still seeing price trend lower in Pepecoin. This just could be a small relief of a continued move to the downside. The market is taking a break and is trying to lift up higher, but then to only continue to go down lower. Okay. So let me do this. Going to look for the market in Pepecoin to continue to go higher, but I am not going to be some massive bull on this particular market right now. As long as Pepecoin holds 122 points, we are going to look for the market to continue to go up in price. Our first target has already been hit. But we'll do it around 150 points, which is 6.38%. And once the market, if the market breaks 150 to the upside, my second target is going to be up there around like 161. So those are my two targets. I'm not going to go exceedingly crazy in the forecast right now, but those will be my two targets, 150 and 161. Okay. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.